Today's video is all about the 2026 Lexus LX 800, the next-generation flagship SUV that's redefining what luxury, performance, and technology truly mean. Lexus has taken everything that made the LX series legendary and pushed it to a whole new level. The LX 800 is bold, futuristic, and powerful, a masterpiece that combines elegance with brute force. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking on extreme terrains, this SUV is built to dominate every road, every condition, and every moment. Let's dive deep into what makes the 2026 Lexus LX 800 one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, and possibly the most luxurious one Lexus has ever created. The moment you look at the LX 800, it demands attention. Lexus has completely reimagined its design philosophy, giving this SUV an aggressive yet sophisticated personality. At the front, the signature spindle grille has been transformed into a more futuristic version, finished in a bold chrome mesh pattern with an illuminated Lexus badge at the center. The ultra-slim matrix LED headlights blend seamlessly into the design, giving it a sharp, predatory look. These adaptive lights automatically adjust brightness and direction depending on traffic, weather, and speed, ensuring crystal-clear vision at all times. The hood has deep, muscular creases that emphasize strength, while the sculpted fenders give the SUV a confident, wide stance. The side profile flows smoothly with aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and improve efficiency. The door handles are flush with the body, popping out electronically as you approach with the key. Even the mirrors have been redesigned, smaller and sharper with integrated cameras that project a full 360 degrees view onto the central screen inside. The massive 23-inch forged alloy wheels not only enhance appearance but also improve handling and stability. At the back, the LX 800 is equally stunning. A single LED light bar stretches across the width, with a new signature pattern that glows dynamically when you unlock the car. The word Lexus is boldly spelled out under the light bar, giving it a premium yet minimalistic touch. A sporty rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets add a hint of aggression, reminding you that this is not just luxury but power with attitude. Now let's talk about what lies under that elegant hood, the heart of the beast. Lexus has equipped the 2026 LX 800 with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid engine designed to deliver the perfect balance of raw power and refined efficiency. Together with its electric motors, the system produces a staggering 650 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This powertrain allows the LX 800 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds, numbers that rival some sports cars, yet it does so in complete silence and grace. The hybrid system uses an advanced lithium-ion battery pack that recharges itself through regenerative braking and energy recapture. This means you get enhanced performance without compromising on fuel efficiency. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures every gear change is smooth and responsive, adapting intelligently to your driving style. In city mode, it focuses on comfort and efficiency, but switch to sport mode, and it instantly becomes a roaring powerhouse. But the LX 800 isn't just about on-road power, it's a true off-road champion. Built on Lexus GoF platform, it offers improved rigidity, balance, and durability. The EWD electric all-wheel drive system constantly monitors road conditions and delivers power precisely where it's needed. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height, raising the SUV for rough terrains and lowering it for highway cruising. It even features multi-terrain select with modes for sand, mud, snow, and rocks, letting you conquer everything from desert dunes to mountain trails. Lexus also introduced crawl control and downhill assist, making it easier to tackle steep slopes and tricky paths. With a watting depth of 800 mm and a towing capacity of over 3.5 tons, the LX 800 isn't just luxury, it's adventure-ready excellence. Step inside the cabin and it's like stepping into a private first-class suite. The moment the doors close, the outside world fades away. Lexus engineers have perfected noise insulation using triple-layer acoustic glass, sound-absorbing materials, and Serenity engineering technology to make the cabin whisper quiet. The interior design is a blend of modern minimalism and traditional craftsmanship. The seats are wrapped in semi-aniline leather, available in color themes like rich saddle tan, deep black, and glacier white. Real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient LED lighting make the cabin feel elegant yet futuristic. The front seats come with 20-way power adjustment, ventilation, heating, and massage functions that can be customized through the central touchscreen. The dashboard houses a massive 15.5-inch OLED infotainment display that's incredibly sharp and intuitive. Right below it sits another screen dedicated to climate control, allowing easy access to temperature and seat settings. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, ensuring you always have the latest software. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel gives you complete control of your driving data, and it changes appearance based on the driving mode. The head-up display projects speed, navigation, and safety alerts right onto the windshield, so your eyes never leave the road. The LX 800's voice assistant, powered by Lexus AI technology, responds to natural commands. Just say, "Hey Lexus," and you can adjust temperature, navigation, lighting, or even open the panoramic roof, all hands-free. Rear passengers are treated with equal care, maybe even more. The executive rear seat package offers 2 individual recliner-style seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The front passenger seat can fold forward, turning the rear into a lounge-like space with an ottoman. Dual 13-inch 4K entertainment screens are mounted behind the front seats, and a central touchscreen in the armrest lets passengers control media, lights, and climate. And when it comes to sound, the LX 800 delivers a concert-level experience. The Mark Levinson 3D surround sound system features 30 speakers strategically placed around the cabin, creating immersive, crystal-clear audio. Whether it's a soft instrumental or a bass-heavy track, the system adapts automatically for perfect balance. Safety and technology have always been a Lexus priority, and the LX 800 takes that to new heights. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3 is their most advanced suite yet, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, intersection collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, and road sign recognition. One of the coolest features is the 360 degrees panoramic view monitor with a transparent underbody display. It allows you to see the terrain beneath the car, making off-roading safer and easier. The driver attention monitor tracks eye movement to ensure you stay alert, while the automated parking assist can handle parallel and perpendicular parking with just one button press. Lexus also added a futuristic drive concierge system, which uses facial recognition and biometric sensors to adjust settings based on who's driving. As soon as you sit inside, it identifies you and automatically adjusts your seat, mirrors, steering wheel, climate, and even favorite playlist. The biometric start button ensures only authorized users can start the engine, an extra layer of smart security. In terms of driving experience, the LX 800 feels like magic on wheels. The adaptive variable suspension constantly monitors every bump and corner, adjusting damping for an ultra-smooth ride. Steering feedback is precise, and body roll is minimal despite its size. Lexus has managed to make this massive SUV feel incredibly stable at high speeds and nimble during city driving. Even in silence, you can feel the power underneath. Switch to Sport Plus mode and the SUV stiffens up, throttle response sharpens, and exhaust notes deepen, giving you a rush of adrenaline. In Eco mode, it glides effortlessly using the electric motor for silent cruising. It's this versatility that makes the LX 800 perfect for any mood, any journey. The attention to detail in every corner is astonishing. The door panels have soft touch materials, the cup holders are cooled and heated, and the ambient lighting has 64 color options inspired by nature. The panoramic sunroof stretches across the entire roof, letting natural light flood in during the day and offering a starlit view at night. Lexus didn't just create another SUV, they created a moving sanctuary, a place where luxury, technology, and performance live in perfect harmony. In terms of pricing, the LX 800 is expected to start around $140,000, depending on the configuration and packages. Yes, it's expensive, but it's aimed at a segment where comfort, technology, and prestige matter more than anything. It's a direct rival to the Range Rover, Mercedes GLS, and BMW X7, and in many ways it feels even more refined and futuristic. The 2026 LX 800 represents the future of luxury SUVs, powerful, connected, and intelligent. Lexus has once again proven that luxury isn't just about leather and chrome, it's about experience, about creating something that feels alive, something that connects with the driver on an emotional level. So if you're someone who loves power, prestige, and perfection, the LX 800 is your dream SUV. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. Whether you're gliding through a city skyline or exploring off-road trails, the 2026 LX 800 ensures that every journey feels extraordinary. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed exploring the 2026 Lexus LX 800, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest luxury car reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the LX 800 impressed you the most? Was it the stunning interior, the powerful hybrid engine, or the futuristic AI technology? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover more of the world's most powerful and luxurious cars of the future. Automobile Sparkles.